Today on Crafty Hackers, we're making some cool DIY projects that are kind of genius. Let's get started. Okay guys, you gotta check out this cool flower trick we just learned. First, let's mix some plaster and water together. Now, dip the flowers and the leaves in the plaster. Next, grab a mason jar and paint the lid white. When the flowers harden, glue them to the lid and place your new decorative jar on any countertop you like. On the next one, take a plain bar of soap and place a rectangle template on top. Push a bunch of sewing pins into the soap using the rectangle as a guide. Now, stick a pin through the end of a ribbon and wrap it around the soap. Loop it onto a pin on the opposite side, then wrap the ribbon around, hooking it on the pins all the way across. You'll want to cover the entire bar of soap. Then, wrap the ribbon around the pins at the top, like this. Use a marker to push the pins deeper into the soap. And add a pretty flower to the top. Now you've got a decorative soap for your bathroom. Hopefully you saved that plaster mix because you're gonna need it. If not, you can always make more. Pour some into a cupcake mold, then push down the center with a disposable cup. You can weigh it down by dropping a few rocks in the bottom of the cup. After it dries, remove the cup and take it out of the mold. Instant candle holder! For this next one, mark and fold a piece of cardboard into a triangle shape. Cut a few of these curved triangle shapes out of the remaining cardboard and place them inside the big triangle piece. Add some Christmas tree branches and some white cotton to make the tree look frosty. Add some red berries and a few little decorations inside. Put a cute little star on top and add some small ornaments. Don't forget the string lights. Merry Christmas! Okay, moving on. Trace a circle onto a piece of cardboard and cut it out. Then, stack a used plastic lid, one of those round cork pads, and your cardboard together. Measure and cut out contact paper to fit on the pieces. Cover both sides. Now, glue a ribbon around the edge of the lid. And glue a smaller ribbon around the edge of the cardboard circle. Measure a piece of paper to a toilet paper roll, cut it out, and glue it onto the cardboard roll. Glue the roll to the center of the lid. Then glue the cork pad to the top of the roll. Make another roll and glue it on top of the cork pad. And then glue on the cardboard piece. Now you've got a cupcake stand for your treats and snacks. Now let's repurpose some wooden hangers. First, unscrew the hook and take the round wooden piece off the bottom. Do this with about 4 hangers, but leave the round pieces attached to 2 of those hangers. Attach those round pieces to the outside of the 4 hangers, like this. Add 3 more dismantled hangers upside down between the first 4. Make sense so far? Okay, good. Now glue everything in place. Now it's a dish rack for your plates and cups. Gather up those bottom hanger pieces from the last project and line them up together. Use a hair tie to attach a light fixture to the hanger pieces. And arrange them around the fixture to make a little teepee stand. Secure the stand with decorative tape. Congrats! You just made a lamp! Form a piece of clay into a ball. Poke a bunch of straws into it and let it dry. Then, pull out all of the straws and cut the clay into whatever shape you like. And now, it's a pencil holder. Okay, now grab another one of those round cork pads. Mark a half circle into the side and trace another smaller half circle inside the first one. Cut them out. Cut some small stars out of gold glitter foam sheet. Glue the stars to the tops of a bunch of thumbtacks and stick them into your little cork moons. Hang the moons up with a string and tack on your favorite pictures and special notes. Onward! Cut a couple of pencils in half. Then glue the rest of these colored pencils together in this sort of zigzag pattern. Glue the half pencils to the middle, then glue full pencils to the other side. Put a clock fixture through the center of the pencils where you left the hole. Fasten on the clock hands. Cute pencil clock! This red sweatshirt is getting a new life. First, trace out your hands, finger closed on the shirt with chalk. Cut them out and glue the halves together at the seams with hot glue. Toasty fingers. Let's fancy up this zipper. Glue some gold chains to the fabric of either side and attach a ring to the bottom of the zipper. Cut the other side so there are only 2 little pieces and wrap them around this clasp. Glue the pieces around the clasp, wrap the zipper around your wrist, and fasten it. Zipper bracelet. Okay, we've saved the best for last, so check these out. On a big plastic lid, glue a bunch of plastic bottle tops. Cut out a little circle at the other end, and you've got a painter's palette. Here's another cool idea. Line up a bunch of clothespins. Then, paint them with white in this pattern. Now, paint the black pieces to make them look like a piano keyboard. Glue all the clothespins to a wooden cutting board. And you've got piano key clips to hang up your stuff. For this next one, fold a piece of paper like this. Use a ruler to mark the fold lines. Trace and cut out as shown here. Fold it all together and cut a little curve out of the front fold. Open it up and trace its shape onto a piece of red felt. Cut it out and fold it the same way. Glue the folds together and use it as a holder for your scissors. Moving forward, place a balloon into a mug and hold it upright. Cover the balloon in craft glue. Stick a bunch of buttons all over the top half of the balloon. Paint more craft glue over the buttons. When the glue dries, let the air out of the balloon and remove it. Then you can keep your craft supplies from your new button bowl. Pretty cool, right? Next, we're going to cut out some strips the size of these tape rolls out of this flowy fabric. Glue the strip of fabric to the tape rolls. Then, measure a circle with a tape roll onto a piece of poster board and cut it out. Stick the circle to the bottom of the tape roll. Then cover it with a fabric circle. Measure and cut another circle out of a piece of glitter paper and glue it to the tape roll so the glitter side is on the inside of the roll. Now it's a decorative jewelry box. Glue on a ribbon, a strand of pearls, and some flowers to the lid. And that was the last of our 30 cool DIY ideas. If you like what we're doing and want to keep seeing our crafts and hacks, let us know by subscribing and sharing our videos. We want to keep making awesome crafty videos for you, so please help us get the word out about our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.